viewers, subscriber, wonderful morning. Greetings to you all, yard and abroad. Yeah man, beautiful day out, you know. Yeah man, and we out on another adventure. Me explore Jamaica TV, you see me? Yeah man, and they are comb the bush here if we can pick up a few soldier crab because we are going on some chub hunting. So, which way?
Yeah man,
yeah man, we are going on some chub hunting in the peeps, you see me? Yeah man, I know a long time we not see we in action in a right way, you know. Yeah man, we are going to hunt some chub, but you know, want to have some soldier crab in case. You see me? The chub them not come up, so let's go and keep it locked to the channel, people. You see me? Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. I don't know if you haven't subscribed yet. You see me? Yeah man, and as well show Explore Jamaica TV some support. You get me? So mad thing out here today, no people. So just go and keep it locked, man. Yard and abroad. Blessings and love and respect. Yeah man, my peeps. So see it there? Outside, you know. Ready back phone, you know, Explore Jamaica over there, so in a bush. You know. See what I go on here? Yeah man, to show you what I go on, peeps. We only find a few soldier crabs. But you don't know I go. Yeah, see what we can make out of them. As I say, Explore Jamaica in a bush, so forward out. So when them forward out, we see them forward out with. You see me? But sunny day out, you know. That's a 2 days before full moon to the explore. Nah, here you know, peeps. Only here bush over there, so. Let's see where him depart. Yeah, man, so. See, Dana forward out of the bush there. Gone then, gone home, man, now, man. Next year, then time before then touch out, you know?
nothing big. Just a couple little ones. So that have them gone.
Yeah man, peeps, so this process is called baiting, you know? Try to jar them out of them hole, you know? Yeah man. General bait up the water. So go on. What we there now is called chub hole, you know, people, you see me? Yes, I know, you know, see now. Yeah man, people, so the baiting process work out, you know, people, so you don't know from Explore, see them are trouble, you know. See if we can take up on 30 pounds today. You see me? You have to put your ambition high, you know. You see it? So we test them out, you see it? So people who don't know what is a chub, we don't find out what is a chub today. Okay? Yard and abroad, blessings and love. You understand? Yeah. Dan say him feed himself before he feed no fish, you know. Can't get fish by hungry belly. So peeps, go and set up for go hook them, you know, so just go and keep it locked, you know. You see me? Like, comment, share and subscribe. Out here with the ear. Heart of love. Yeah man, people, so see Explorer make him first through there. Yeah man, you know, so his son are gonna give you an exposure problem, but people need just keep it locked, man. See it there? But them man on a ramp with them, you know. Chub of them man a middle name, last name. Them a float feet. Alright people, never stop the camera, I want to catch piece of the action if them pick you up, you know. Understand? Them bite it? Yeah man, I see bait pan it same way, you know. Yeah man, he hold it, you know, people, hold him. Hold him. Hold him, hold him, people. Hold him. Dead in dead. First one that, you know, first throw. First one, is it? Yeah man, first throw. First one, see him? Yes, peeps, you know, see that? Alright. Remember, you know, people, Explore Jamaica TV, that, you know. Real general, you know. Yeah man. Nah, like general, you know. Yeah man, give me. Yeah man, the general, give me the epic content, them my peeps, see there. Nice little pounder, you know. Nice little 1 pounder. Another one. Another one. Yes man. Another one. Right place in Jaffa.
Right place you can jump to.
Another one, peeps.
Right place you can jump. Never jump a better place.
Another one.
Piece of something, you know, man.
Eh? Piece of limb.
Piece of limb to cover them, man.
Yeah.
Let me see if I get one still. Yeah, man, but the next one still, you see me? Yeah, man. Out here without fear, telling them.
Next one again, peeps. Next one, you done catch a jar in. Next one. Next one. Ah, tio.
I don't want to hold them here.
Yeah, people never get no chance to show you.
Too busy.
But guess what now?
Busy.
Yeah man, see the people. Yeah man, a lovely one that, you know, peeps.
Yeah, man.
Well hooked.
Play with them.
Explore that, you know,
2,
people.
Share them.
Yeah man. Remember your name, man. Explore. You hear, go over him channel, you know. Like, comment, share and subscribe, you know. Show him see him love on, show me here. Yeah man. Out
Yes,
here,
man.
people.
Yes, yes.
Yeah man, peeps. My first one, you know. Yeah.
More tear off.
Moonshine.
More tear off.
Yeah man, I bust you out, it for bust off then, you know. Yeah man, peeps, so see it, for my first one, you know, man, chub, you know. I like them size one, you know. They don't give no problem when them for cook, you see it? Yeah man. Imagine him in a file paper now, peeps. You don't know a code, you know. Yeah man. Sweet. So me I go out the back, you know, people, because I want 1 dozen of them, you know. You hear? Yeah man. Yeah man. Explore all another one, you know, peeps. Another one. Sky. Right place in Jap, you know, peeps, by the bird. Yeah.
Pull up the little spot there. Millions.
Yeah man, so I go on there. 4 done gone, you know. Yeah man.
4 of them go and flick up you. Play with them, you know.
We no catch no big one yet, you know, peeps. I know them big one there, like normal.
Big one they soon get catch.
Today out there see them here. You see me?
And then what, 2 pound, 3 and 3 pound and then 4 pound size. 8 pound size I go and catch them. Soon catch them one day, you know.
We out here. Yeah man, peeps, so this is my second chub, you know. You get me? Second one that fresh from the water, you know what I mean? Yeah man, them down there. But as me I say, peeps, I know we no catch none of the big fat one them yet, you know. You see me, but see it there? Yeah man, boy, them out here, man, them out here. You get me? Steaming size them, you know, peeps. Yeah man. Explore out there. You know what I mean? Go and do the right thing. You see it? Yeah, man, wonderful day out, man. Wonderful day for come fishing. You see, you get a bite, look on. Yeah, man, the sun set out on the water, peeps. You see me? Glorious. Yeah. You see them? Alright, so people, yeah, beat up and chew about my line, you understand? Heart of love, blessings and respect and honor, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, peeps, another one. Another one. Take him up with the people, them see. Yeah. But this one that since there, you know. Yeah, man. One day if I come, them I come out now. You say that I come down back? Yeah, man. One foot and full in I done hole, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I dive out there in a piece when I can't see. Chop them. And put him out there now. Yeah, I know. Up top with that. Yeah, man, peeps, so want head for a different location, you know. The problem is the diver in our water and now move from here, so kind of run the fish them. So we have to go head up and head down the sea, but we are going to try up Iraq, you know. This is some bigger one normally float, so go up there, go see what I go on, make you see what I go on, you understand? So just keep it locked. But you know that now some searching, you see? Watch it. Put them see dive by the peeps. Yeah, man, them out the same way. Nah, move, you know? So, Iraq up there, so. Yeah, man. So, we are go up to Iraq, but see what I go on. So, me to know up there, man. Yeah, man, people, so the third one this, you know. See me? Yeah, man, fresh from out of water, you know what I mean? See there? In the bucket. 1, 2, 3 of them. So I reach quarter dozen peeps, you see me? So quarter dozen and counting, you know? Yeah, man. Explore over there, so you see me? I'll go and feel my boss. Say, leave him up. Soon bright up back. So people no go and keep it locked, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, my peeps. Explore hook something. Yeah, man. Like it's not what they do up from where they, you know. Nice, you could red tail in the peeps. Yeah. God bless. God bless. Yeah, man, God bless. Snap of that in the peeps. Man, explode. Yeah, man, peeps. So, explore Jamaica striker gardy, you know, you see me? Yeah, man, him striker gardy. Earlier on, we have video when him show with the snapper. You get what me I say? So this about him 6 or him 7 fish now. You see me? Yeah man. So see the snapper here, if you never see it earlier, cause I don't know if you clip see it because the device overheat for me, so you don't know it go so. See it there? Yeah man. Then a go on! Go on in plus the pilot too, you know people. When you grab a lobster? So I don't know, you know, we activity, we are going to see them. You see me? Yeah man. Keep it locked, you know. Yeah man, people, so we finally reach a flat rock, you know. This is Explore Catch. Yeah man. Wonderful. Yeah. See it there? Snapper, chub, yard. So my catch over there, so there. Yeah man, 3 chub, you know. So lovely day out so far, man. You know what I mean? So yeah man, the diver come.
Mash up the thing. I fish them a go on, you know man. The man just come and the man come and did it. And it not even look like say man a shoot up. And the man just die spot. Every minute the man tell down there.
Run everything.
Run the fish them and you don't catch nothing. You don't catch nothing. You just a see fish them, you know. And now catch them, man. Just a good on for the fish them.
And a stop our food. Bex in the peeps. Yeah man.
The fish them just start biting, you know. They don't start. Fish them come in enough to next string. Me I say, Jano. Yeah. When I look, I see, because one time I see man turn back and I say man gone for him business. When I look, hey man that right is already bomb man. I really had a easy.
Man turn back and come run the fish them. Yeah man. Yeah man, but see Explorer make him first throw a flat rock. First throw, show them a first throw can't do my boss. First throw. Yeah. Oh dear. Explore, grab something more. I'm coming up. Like a parrot, pinky. Pink kangatoni. Yeah, man. Next snapper. Yeah, man, Pep. You see your Explorer go on? Yeah. Pop. God bless. Another God bless.
Oh, that little about that one a nice same way, you know. Yeah man, blessings, you know.
Yeah man, God bless snapper me. I'm gonna see you down chamber stay, you know. Up on the down chamber. Yeah man, over there, nice. YouTube, we are welcome on back with a banger, you know. With a banger. Yes man. Yeah man, babes. Yeah man, see there. Explore hook something pilot. I see what you grab. Alright, lobster. Yeah man, it's a pilot people. False alarm, you know. False alarm, I think that's mighty. One more to Italy as we come down, you know, people. Because we find back the spot.
Yeah man, we have to come back to the spot because the dive and wind up gone, you see me?
Yeah man, him running fish them and gone, but
when the man come, nothing about fish gone, he look there now man.
but we give them time, you know, so
Yeah.
we are going to get to them, you know, in the peeps. One has it gone forward, is it? Yeah man. Yeah man, so another one to the tally, you know, my peeps. See me? Yeah man, and see me meanwhile, me I show you one. In get there? Yeah, and meanwhile, me I show you him. Explore, grab one, but you know him chop off, you know, so look here now.
Nice.
Yeah man. Yeah. This is the fourth one, you know, peeps. You see me? Yeah man, drop him. You know, I have to keep him covered from the sun, you know, because you don't know, we don't want them spoil, but Them down there. Them down there, peeps. Them down there. Them down there.
Watch your man.
Yeah, man, peeps. Another one to explore, you know.
Watch your man. Yo.
Where you do? You see them?
What are they? What did they?
Yeah, man. Watch him, man. Another one.
Another one, you know. Down the whole heap, you.
Yeah, man, them do the whole heap. Right away, done a beat up and throw it back, you know. No joke.
Nah, it's not joke.
You see me? Alright, people, I'm going to grab one again. See, Explorer jack up one more, yeah? Cha-cha! Come up with him. Come up with him, my boss. Come up with him. Work with your work. Oh, you mean? Work with your work. See the people? Watch out. Yeah, man, see him there? See him there fresh. And look there again. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, man, you make the people them see that one there, man. Nice, you know, real quick. Yeah, man, nice one that. You see that, peeps?
Them get bigger and bigger.
Bigger and bigger. Aye. Yeah, man. Stand by for action, my peeps. Yeah, man, people out here, nice, man, and glorious. You see me? See how my black son burn me. Walks over there working, man. Is it? Yeah, man, just go and keep it locked, man. Just keep it what? Lock. Yes. People, as I tell you, I done fishing, I see explore over there. So that.
Yes, you done?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, explore. I go test him luck, you know. You know, a lucky man still, you know. Done fish a few days, so just stay and wait for him and I rush him or nothing. See me? Want the longest glass of ice water now, peeps. But we go on good for the day. Today I 2 days before the full moon, so you know I say, yeah. It's worth it, you know. Even though the man come mash up the dam, come run the fish them, but you know. Yeah, man, I tell you about them money, you know, peeps. Them money, you know. Name Lucky, you know. Yeah? It's like a 2? Or is a big one? Yeah, man, peeps, see it there? Boy. Yeah. Fat one, you know, peeps. Feel like if I set up back my line. Wow.
Yeah. Hey.
So I go on,
Nice
peeps.
one, you know?
Nice one, you know?
Yes, man.
Man, I name now, them I name the Bermuda Great Chub, you know? Yeah, man. But peeps, me I tell you, that basket look lovely, you know? Yeah, man, that basket look lovely. Grass. Grass. Yeah, man.
Vegetarian fish them, you know? And fish are too like your meat business, you know?
Yeah, man, be a grass, you know? Send him and send out back the line and now, you know, peeps. Come on. Out there. See what go on? One never can pull in something else now, crowd of people.
Right, watch it now. One cent touch in there, then, you know. my God, the baby.
Yeah, man, you know hold nothing that cheap here, you know, people.
Yeah?
I tell them, say, you know hold nothing that cheap here, but yeah, go out the back.
Boy, take off the plate now,
See the people, nothing no come up on you, know?
Go on, the plate then. Call them out one more time again, you see? Wake them up again.
Something more. Something more, people. Something more. Man, strike again. Window stuck? You still up on the door? Something more, people. Something more. The main Godfather.
I'm playing with the road, yo.
My evening session, yeah.
Yeah, man. And I get you up again like that.
Why am I gilging up then top bite again? I gilging up a light still, car. And then I bite me, I forgot catch it up. Look at that! BGS wicked, you see that? Basket full!
Yeah, do a sinking.
And then I reach over here, say yeah.
Yeah, do a sinking, that should have there. Yeah, do a sinking, that should have there, yo.
We catch two, I want them to come from doctor.
Yeah, man. That's the man.
Yeah, man. Something more upon the boss, tally. Yeah. So you got a dozen yet, my Dan? Yeah, man, I got about a dozen. Yeah. Something more. You know what you mean? Eh? Right away back out there. Man, I run joking up people, just go and keep it locked. Why people? And first me see this, me a true and can't catch nothing. And watch it done. Watch it done. Watch it. Watch there.
I'm the one that, oh yeah, come up back with you. Be true down there.
Yeah. You were dance every chew and chew down there and take up something and me I come up back with beer. Boy. Nothing now bite my line here, peeps. Yeah. Boy, explore. Explore. Good thing is not a competition there. You would have beat me bad. Watch it again, people. Watch it again. Watch it again. Watch it again. That one a foot.
I don't know how you get back later. Yeah, be true.
You take up something.
Yeah, be true.
I know me can't get no pick. Jesus almighty, watch it. A torture today, no peeps, man, I murder them. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, say if him not catch one more, now left out there, no peeps. One already, he say, you know. So, I him a get bite, so make him do the work, yeah, sir. Man say if he not catch some more, he nah left. So I'm going to have a look bait car and give him a man.
One already.
Yeah, man, so one already. Yeah, man, but in the meantime, people, we can take a look what I go on, you know, man. That's it. Yeah, man, look here now, no peeps. Look how the man go on, sir. Fish pan top of fish. Fish pan top of fish, you know see that? Fish. Yeah man.
One already.
And it's still on. Man still a hunting of them man and a joking of people. So one on the chamber full. My basket not so full in a page. You see me? See it there? But you know, give a thanks, you know? Yeah man, see me? You don't know me already who own a cooking video. So, I have to go get that do a next chub video for the peeps. You see me? Without the one. You say I want to go without the one. Alright people, we are going to keep our eyeball peeled to see if I drop the one in there, you see me? The one already, you know. So we are stick and stay and see what go on. Last throw. Alright my boss, you feel him? Feel him? Carry me in. Nyam off that man. Nyam that off man. People like it, the bus left the one the way. I'm sure you nyam that off.
I get it. One day lucky.
Yeah man, so peeps. Had a rough day today. I'll do a caught a few. Big up to explore, you know, and lucky day, you know. Yeah man. Fish on top of fish. Yeah man people, so come to end now another excited video. You get what me I say? If you reach this far man, people remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. Big up all of the viewers and all of the subscribers. So you see until next time, heart of love. On here, yard and a beard, big up on yourself. Blessings and honor and respect. Yeah man.